Hello everyone. So today we'll learn the calendars. So after this session you will be able to understand the working time, types of calendar and assigning calendars to our project. So basically project should follow the specific working days and time. According to the timing only project duration can be scheduled and analyzed. So calendars are used to set in a project and its resources working time to accurately reflect your resource availability information, and the application uses your calendar assignments for even resource leveling, scheduling and other tracking issues. So calendar will display the working, non-working time for any organization, and it will also represent the working days and working hours in each day. So beside national holidays, some specified holidays and the project specific work time can also be specified. You can create unlimited number of calendars with different patterns as it is required according to your need in this Primavera software. So we have got basically three types of calendars, that is global, project and resource calendar. So the global calendar that applies to any project. So it is available for all project resources and activities, and you can basically either use it for assigning to any particular project. But project calendars are project specific, so it can be only used and it can be only assigned to a particular project in which you have defined. Resource calendars are resource specific, which is basically in your organization if some resources are having special working time, you can make use of your resource calendars. So we'll see now how we can define calendars in the software. So open Primavera software, and to create calendar we'll go to enterprise menu and we'll select calendars. See, so we have got global, resource, project. The steps to create calendars are same, but we have to choose a data specific, whether you are going to create a global calendar, project or resource. So we'll see one by one. To define a new global calendar, we will select global and we'll click add. Pick any of the global calendar by double clicking or select button. Type the name of your calendar. I am putting my calendar for XYZ Limited, and then since I have picked up a global calendar, I am going to modify my timing by clicking modify. Now we have the calendar view where we are going to specify our working and non-working time. So to specify the working time for work weeks, we'll go to detailed work hours per day, so that we have the time slot for all 24 hours. We'll click on work week, and here we are going to select the working week days. I am creating 6 working days calendar, so I am selecting Monday to Saturday, and then I am going to select my working hours. So these are all half of hour slots which are you can view. So from 0 till 24. So I am going to make my work start from 8 AM. I am going to drag and select till 5 PM, that is 17 PM I have selected. I am going to click work because these are my working hours, and from 1 to 2 I am selecting this 1 hour slot. I am clicking non-work, which is specifying my lunch break. So I'll again explain. Select your weekdays, select your working hours, whatever you want to mention, either 9 to 6, 8 to 5 or as per your requirement. Click work, and then for your lunch break you can select any of your hour, half an hour, 1 hour, and click on non-work. So my break is also specified. I'll click OK. See, my Monday to Saturdays are working hours. So you can say standard working is reflected by this shade, non-working by this dark gray, and exception is white color. Right now I have not given any exceptional timing. You may give, like say suppose 30th we are only working for half day, so you can specify an exceptional timing for a particular day as well. So this 30th has an exceptional timing. In case by mistake you have done it, what we can do, we can make it to standard so that it would be a normal standard working day. So Sunday is our off. Now how we specify the holidays? So we can specify the holidays because normally our project duration may be 18 months or 24 months. So we'll select our weekday, any of the calendar day. Maybe I am selecting say 15th of August, and I am going to make it non-work. 2nd October, non-work. Maybe your Diwali vacation, you can select, even you can choose by multiple days by control key, and you can make it as a non-working days. So all your holidays you can specify, because these holidays or the non-working days will not be counted in your schedule. So when you will be specifying your activities duration, so these holidays will not be counted in that. So that is why we are going to get much more accurate schedule for our activity start and finish date. So this is how I have defined my global calendar. Now I am going to create a project calendar. So to create a project calendar, again the steps are same. Click add, pick any of your global calendar, type the name, click modify, click detail work hours per day, work week, and we'll select, I'm making now 7 working days. So I've selected my 7 working days, and I'm selecting my working hours from 8 till 17 with 1 hour of break. So all my working days are there in Sunday to Saturday, and 8 a.m. till 17 p.m. that is 5 p.m. Now in project calendar we have an option that we can import, we can inherit the holidays from our global calendar. Like I created some holidays in XYZ, so I have inherited all those holidays. See, this icon specifies that this is a global holiday inherited. So all the holidays which we have specified in our global calendar are inherited in our project calendar. In case you want to make it as a standard, not applicable for this particular calendar, you may change a holiday into standard working days as well, and you may specify some other non-working holidays or some non-working days for this particular calendar by clicking a calendar date and non-working. So my working hours are 8. So when we give the duration of an activity, that okay, 2 days or 1 day, so that 1 day means how much hours of work. So that is basically calculated from this time period setting. So it is very, very important when you are creating a calendar, always mention, like when we are specifying a day means how many hours of day we are working, so that hours will be calculated from these settings. If you are specifying the duration of an activity into weeks or month, then only you need to change the settings here. Normally we never give the duration of an activity in months, we normally give in days, sometimes in week. So you may specify 48 hours, or because we are working 7 days, so 56 hours is equal to 1 week of time. If we are saying that we are working for this activity 2 weeks, means 56 into 2. So that is the number of days it is going to calculate with this calculation. So once we have created our calendar, we'll click OK. So we have created our global calendar, we have created our project calendar. Resource calendars, as we said, it is a resource specific, same method. Click add, pick any of your resources which are there in your resource breakdown structure or resource pool, and again click modify, and you can specify the working time for this particular resource. Same method, go to work week, select your working days, working week, working hours. So I am selected 8 till 16, that is 8 till 4 p.m. So this is what I have specified to this particular resource. Now in case you feel that this project calendar needs to be used for most of the project, we have a provision, we can always convert a project calendar to global, so that it would be available in your global calendar. So now this YY calendar is available. We'll close. Now how we can assign to our project? So practice WBS is the project which we just created in our previous session. So I am going to assign a calendar by going to default tab in the bottom detail window of project window, and we have calendar, and we can select the calendar XYZ by using this select button, or we can simply double click. So this XYZ limited is assigned to this project. So choose any of your project. From default tab we can assign the calendar. So global calendar is being displayed here. If you want to assign a project calendar, select project calendar, and you can select your project calendar which you have created. Thank you.